Welcome back. Daboli Airport is a civilian airport and there are evidences to prove that Navy has occupied the airport illegally. This is a clear statement by Elena Saldana. She is on the job in Kortali constituency. While speaking to Prudent Media, Elena disclosed her plans if she gets elected. Watch this report.
There are documents to prove this. We are not just talking in the air. There are documents to prove that the Daboli airport is a civilian airport. In fact, I was sitting at Matani's office just day before yesterday, and I just happened to open a drawer, and there I found another document written right on top, additional information to prove that the Daboli airport is a civilian airport. It is a copy of the minutes of a meeting held in the year 1962.
Elena Saldana, along with people from Kortali, has initiated garbage collection drive in her constituency. She is the front runner as BJP candidate in Kortali by-poll scheduled on 2nd June. When questioned by the media whether she is preparing for the by-poll, this was her reply.
Probable candidate also for BJP. Is this a political move also?
No, definitely not. We don't believe in gimmicks. We don't have to resort to gimmicks, okay? This was an urgent need. In fact, everyone should have been here to do what we are doing today. And if I am elected, I will see to it that this happens. If maybe I may not be able to do it on a very constant basis, but at least a month, once a month, I will see to it that the areas are maintained clean, and I'll keep a link with the panchayats.
A reporter from Daboli, Surendra Madgaikar. Ponda Municipality councillors have alleged gross illegalities by the former Chief Officer Jayant Tari. Councillor Radhika Naik informed that 4 workers were being approved without any reservation. On the other side, they have appealed the vendors not to pay SOPO tax without legal receipt.
The councillor of Ponda, Radhika Naik, alleged that former chief officer of the municipality, Jayant Tari, allotted 4 posts to people which were otherwise reserved by the municipality for certain categories.
It is seen that just on the strength of one note, there is not even a resolution of the council. On the strength of a note moved by the chief officer at that time, the appointments have been made and given to these 4 people who don't fit the categories at all. And this is gross violation of administrative procedure in the municipality. And therefore, this item was very important for discussion. And as we saw, chairperson, chief officer were unable to answer how this whole thing was done. File ही chairperson आकडे येऊत नाशिल्ली. It was obvious कारण तिचे थंय signature उतना.
Furthermore, they have appealed to the vendors in Ponda not to give SOPO tax to the collectors without obtaining a legal receipt of payment. The municipality has also decided to get machines to keep a check on the revenue received after SOPO collection.
अपील करता फोंडेच्या सगळ्या वेंडरांक की तेणी एक सगळ्यांनी सहानुभूतीपूर्वक म्हणजे जशें आपलेच म्युनिसिपालिटी एरिया आपली आपण निवड दवरपाची आमी खंय तरी ताका सहकार्य करपा जाय तेन्ना ह्यो रिसिटी घेवन कायद्याच्यो आनी कायद्यान रिसिटी घेवन कायद्यान जास्त पयशे दिवन मायज पयशे कोणाक दिवचे न्ही आनी विदावट रिसीट कोणाकूच पयशे दिवचे न्ही कोणेच आनी जर तशें कोणी करता जाल्यार इमिजिएट म्युनिसिपालिटीन येवन ताची कंप्लेन दिवची.
The councillors had a heated argument on Friday evening on many other issues. They resolved that they would approach the DMA to initiate action against the illegalities in the municipality. Our reporter in Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Gandhi Market in Madgaon has been left in a pathetic condition. The buildings are neglected by the authorities and vendors have encroached the pathways by putting up illegal boxes and plastic. Madgaon municipality inspected the site and has asked the vendors to clear illegal encroachment within 7 days.
This is the Gandhi Market in Margaon. There is no passage for the people coming to shop. People are upset with the menace faced by them in the market. Margaon Market Committee inspected the site on Friday and warned the vendors to lift illegal boxes and plastic laid along the passage within 7 days. They have also asked them to clear the encroachments.
Market Committee also every 20 days and then एक पाटी आमी new market तशेंच आमी गांधी मार्केटान inspection इन्स्पेक्शनाक दवरतली एनक्रोचमेंट पळोवपाक बोर्ड्स लायले ते पळोवपाक इल्लीगल कितें आसा ते पळोवपाक आनी देर इज नो सबस्टिट्यूट फॉर एनीथिंग हियर एज when it comes to something to do with illegal.
Vice Chairperson of Margao Municipality Pratima Kutino informed that the market inspectors will be inspecting the market every 15 days.
Encroachment के market केले आसा ते हांवें डायरेक्ट केला मार्केट इन्स्पेक्टर्सांक दोगांयक न्ही की एवरी 15 days तांणी इन्स्पेक्शन दवरपाक जाय. एनक्रोच करता तांकां ऑलरेडी आतां सांगिल्लें आसा की नोटीस धाडा कित्याक पॅसेजीक चलपाक लोकांक वाट ना. पॅसेज कित्याक आसता लोकांक चलपा खातीर आसता पूण हांगा सगळ्यो बाजारांतल्यो वस्तू जशें की प्लास्टीक आयटम्स मागीर क्लॉथ मटेरियल सगळे रस्त्यार आसता आनी लोकांक बायलां भुरग्यांक चलपाक त्रास जाता. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट आय टोल्ड देम टू प्लीज जाता जाल्यार एक नोटीस धाड नाल्यार फायन स्टार्ट कर.
A reporter in Margao, Savio Dice.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.